Hi guys, so nakita ko lang tong post na to. Nag-enroll ka sa course kasi kikita daw ng 6 digits a month. Tapos ito pa nasa baba. Siya pala ang kikita ng 6 digit dahil sa'yo. Tingin ko naman tama yung sinasabi nila na you can earn 6 digits a month. But guys, keep in mind, this is not an overnight success. It doesn't mean na you enrolled in this class, next month 6 digit na yung makukuha mo or 6 digit na yung ma-earn mo. No.
Hindi ganun, guys. Imagine, yung gumawa ng course na yun, inaral niya yun ng taon. Hindi ko sinasabi na lahat ng course ay worth the penny. Kaya mga VAs, kung maghahanap kayo ng course, make sure na maganda yung reviews at hindi lang pre-recorded videos yung ino-offer nila. Make sure na merong one-on-one coaching every month, unlimited access to the course, at maganda yung reviews after sales. Meron kasing iba na pagka-purchase mo, wala na. So, yun yung dapat yung tandaan before purchasing a course. But me, personally, when I started, hindi ako bumili ng course. Kasi there is a lot of free resources like YouTube and TikTok. Actually, majority nandun na, pero hindi lahat. Tsaka mas matututunan mo siya on a hands-on task. Hindi yung napanood mo yung multiple videos, alam mo na lahat. No, it's not. And earning 6 digits takes hard work. Magkaroon ka ng 6 digit in a month, hindi lang yan isang client. It's multiple clients. So kung gusto mo magkaroon ng 6 digits in a month, you need to have a multiple clients. And make sure you have multiple skills para mas marami kang service na i-offer. Then once sobrang dami ka ng client, you need to outsource. You can hire VAs here in the Philippines to work for that client under your agency. Then if you have agents na working for you, then optional, you can create your own course. Yun lang, good luck VAs!